Today we're going to do geology
Sand.
dig.
Hello, camera. So this is a geology sand dig. We're gonna see what's inside of it. Liam, we want to keep these two together. Okay, like right with sand, but we're inside because it's kind of a rainy day. If you look outside, outside is kind of an overcast, rainy day. So while we want to go out and play, we're gonna play with this instead. And in here, it looks like there's gonna be some stones. Looks like there's going to be 9 different natural earth stones. And the stones that are in here are pumice, gneiss, slate, marble, coal, gypsum, shale, granite, and obsidian. Now, what's neat about Georgia is that there's a place called Stone Mountain. And this Stone Mountain is a giant granite rock. That's so big, this one rock, that it's basically a mountain.
Where did we get that from?
This,
It's from Christmas.
I want to say this was maybe a Christmas present, but I think you can get the Discovery brand at any Walmart. So you can go to Walmart, maybe it's Target. I think it's Walmart. You guys ready for me to open it?
Yeah!
Okay. So the very first thing we have here is, what's that, Liam?
That's the digger. No, that's the cutter. It is the cutter.
This is
The map.
the map. What does it say? It says the layers of the earth. So let's read this together. Okay. Layers of the earth. So if we look outside, what color is the earth? Like what color is grass?
Green.
Green. But when you're in outer space, really, really far away from our planet is known as the blue planet. What do you think the blue stuff is?
That's Saturn. What number?
Saturn?
This.
That? It could be that. A bunch of those. So blue is water.
Water.
Yeah, and most of the earth is made up of water. But underneath that water, there are rocks.
Rocks.
Mm-hmm. And so, did you know that the Earth's inner core is a huge metal ball?
Huge metal
It's
ball.
2,500 kilometers wide, and it's made mainly of iron. The temperature of the ball is around 5,000 degrees Celsius to 6,000 degrees. That's up to 6,000 times hotter than the atmosphere, and it makes the metal melt. Here's another one. Layers of the earth are commonly compared to layers of an onion. Have you guys seen an onion?
No.
Yes, you've seen an onion. As you peel the onion, as you peel off the layers, you get closer and closer to the core, or the center of the earth. And scientists believe that there are 4 main layers.
You know what's next? There's another one.
So if you could peel back the layers, each layer, you would find the outer layer is the crust. The crust is where we live on. That's like the outside.
Daddy?
Then the mantle. Then the outer core and the inner core. All right, look over here. Meemaw's got an onion. Can you see the onion? All right, so that's okay. We've got the outer layer of the onion known as the crust. You see how thin that is, that outer layer? That's, if this was the earth, this is where we live on. We would be little tiny. Our house would be right here. Okay?
Yeah.
Then you have an inner layer, which would be the mantle, which is the outside parts of the onion. That's the part that's really good to eat. Then you have the outer core, and that's kind of the hard stuff. And then the inner core would be the very center of the onion, right here. In the very, very center. Okay? But for the earth, the very, very center is liquid. And it's super hot. It's made of iron. And it melts metal. It can melt anything. Super duper hot. Okay?
Lava's hot.
The mantle of the earth is considered red rock. It's solid, but it's not completely hard. Because of the intense heat, the mantle is moldable. When the mantle slowly moves, it can cause earthquakes and volcanic eruptions.
Like Daddy, like
So-
a volcano.
So in where Mommy lives, they have a lot of volcanoes. And what happens is the underneath the crust, this part of the earth is moving around.
Daddy, I see the volcano.
You've seen a volcano? Yeah. And then every now and then it comes up. The liquid comes up, and it comes up at these mountains that are called volcanoes. And that's a volcano erupting lava, which comes from the mantle, from inside the Earth's crust. The crust of the Earth is made up of granite and other solid rock. Sand, soil, and crushed rock sit at the top of the crust. The crust ranges in depth from 3 miles to 43 miles deep. The inner core is said to spin at a different speed than the rest of the planet, and that's what causes the Earth's magnetic field.
Daddy, what is at the bottom?
The outer core of the Earth is liquid metal, also mostly nickel and iron. Together, the inner core and the outer core are about as large as Mars. Mars is another planet. And the outer core is 1,408 miles exactly in diameter, according to this piece of paper. Pretty neat, huh? That represents the Earth's crust, I believe. Let's read the directions. Okay, instructions. Before you begin any of your experiments, make sure to read all the instructions carefully. Adult supervision is recommended for this activity. Do not eat any of the ingredients. No eating. This is not ice cream.
Not a cake.
That's not a spoon. Magnifying glass.
I'm eating a hand.
Don't eat your hand, because your hand's going to touch this thing. So yeah. Be sure to cover your work area, as this activity can get a bit messy. So we've got step 1 taken care of. So the contents are the geology sand, the magnifying glass. Where's the magnifying glass?
Here.
Okay. There should be 9 stones, but they're already inside the sand, I believe. And we need a digging tool. Who's got the digging tool? Yes. Okay. So inside here, there are 9 rocks, 9 stones. Okay. Let's let Juliana dig a little bit, because she's got the digging tool, and find 1 stone. Go ahead.
Okay.
All right,
I'm
Juliana.
super excited.
Okay. Go ahead and start digging. Yeah. Okay, she's cutting through the grass layer. That's called the crust.
What?
That's the outside of the earth. As she's digging, now she's getting into the next layer. Did you find anything? What is that?
That's it.
Okay, stop. What is this one? I think we need to look at the box. What does that look like? Obsidian, I think.
And it's sharp. Should be. Wow.
Wow.
There's another
This
one.
is I don't know what that is. Might be obsidian. Okay,
It's rock.
okay. And you found another one?
Yeah.
Go ahead and get that one out.
But Daddy, it's taking too long. It's my
Okay,
turn.
you got another one. Okay, Yana, it is now Liam's turn.
I'll get down.
You found 2
Oh,
of them. Good. There you go. Did you find anything in there?
yeah, look at my look.
Yeah. Nothing in there.
Oh,
Oops.
what about the other one?
Gotta keep going.
Hey, there's another one.
You found one? Alright, Liam found his first rock. Use your finger, get it out. What is that?
Wow.
Wow, this one is, hold on a second.
Hey, there's another one.
This one,
Liam,
like-
there's a rock. Daddy.
this one looks like
Hey, look.
pumice.
This.
I think that one's pumice.
And Daddy, this one. It
And
turns
this
really
one looks
big.
like coal. This is a piece of coal, I think.
Daddy, it's my turn.
Yeah.
Turn to rock.
Okay, it's Michael's turn.
Michael's turn.
Michael's turn.
Head
Hop down.
down. On the magnifying glass.
Yes, you can look at it. Go back to your seat and use the magnifying glass and check out this pumice you found. It's pretty neat.
Dad, can I look into this?
Yeah. Okay, you can use 2 hands, buddy, so you don't make a mess. What do you think? You think he's gonna find another stone?
There was the other one.
I think you found something. Oh!
Okay, big one there. I found it there. I found something. It's right there. Michael.
Use your finger.
Michael,
You use your finger and pull it out.
Michael.
What is it? Can I see it? This looks like... Let's take a
Oh,
look.
Michael. Is it my turn again?
Keep going. Yeah, you gotta find one more.
Okay, I see something. What? Should you dig here? I think I saw something.
Hey, let him do what he wants to do.
What?
Did you find one?
I see one!
Grab it.
I did that!
Whoa! Okay, freeze. This one is really pretty. What is this one? I think you found marble.
Marble.
I think so. That's what I think. So, which one were yours, Michael? This one and this one? And Juliana had this one and this one? Let me see that one.
black.
Little one.
I had that one.
And Liam had these two. Okay. It is now. Whose turn is it now? Juliana? Watch out, Maggie. Juliana, this is your last. You get to find one more.
Okay.
Last one, okay? And then it's going to be Liam's turn again.
This one.
You thought there was one over there?
I think there's one inside this one. I don't feel any. Daddy, can I try and play with one like Liam is?
Yeah. We're going to play with it after we're done finding it.
Wow. I see something.
Did you find one, Yana?
Oh, I don't. That's only sand.
It's just only sand.
Wow. And it's trying to use it with her hands.
That's okay.
But
She is, you know,
I can
archaeologists.
put in my pile.
Archaeologists dig through.
I can put in my
look for
pile
stuff.
if you want.
Come on,
Daddy,
Yana.
I'm trying to put all the sand in my pile.
Yep. Hey, Liam, watch Juliana for a second.
Try to get this.
So, which rocks are remaining? We have some gneiss. We have some granite.
Before you left that in my side.
And maybe some shale.
This is mine. First, I want to get all this. So one can be hitting. Daddy, I want my rocks. I see something.
You found something. What is it? Let's see it. Clean it up.
The mesh.
Wipe the sand off of it. I think that you found some. I don't know. That might be. That might be the gneiss, or that might be more gypsum. I'm not sure. We'll have to clean it up and take a look. Okay. So you can bring, you can come over here and then put some sand there. And it is now Liam's turn.
Liam's turn. Find one.
Okay, leave the sand here first. Put it and walk over here. Yeah.
Nope. It's hard.
It's hard. Okay.
There's
Dig again. See if you can find one. I think I see one. I think I see it right there. Not the whole thing. Not the whole thing. Just this. See that right there? Did you find it? You pulled that one piece out.
no.
Yeah, get that one.
No, this
All
one.
right, set this down and let's look at this.
Squishy.
Wipe the sand off of it.
Squishy.
What color is it? Wow.
Might be.
I think you found granite. Is that what it looks like?
No.
I think so, buddy.
Daddy, is it
It
fiber?
doesn't look 100% like it, but that's granite. I think.
Is it fiber?
Let's set it over there. And Mikey, yep, your turn.
You just
All right, are you looking at him, Liam?
yeah, but I don't know what it is. Wait, some say wait. Daddy, I don't know what it is.
Okay, I'm gonna go rinse them off while you guys play with the sand and you smush it together and make it look like bleh.
Big.
What colors did you have? What colors were there?
It was orange, green, and red.
Orange, green, and red.
This one is. This one. Make it a big rock. Let's make it a rock.
Liam, you have to set it in my pile to make it a rock.
Okay. You can
Push it up.
I have the rocks.
Have to grab some two ones and then turn it around, and that's how you make a ball. You have to keep doing it so you can get better at it.
Like this? Like this?
No, like this.
Yes, Liam,
Twist
that's
it.
right. That's like that.
Twist it.
But that's how you make a ball. Can I put some? Can I connect that to heat this?
Here. First, I gotta make some more.
Can I have it?
First, it's cracking apart. No, it's not.
Now let's just quick
Yes.
choice.
Whoa. Brilliant it. Brilliant. But what's? Like, there might be a rock inside it.
There's no more that shit.
Look, I think there's a rock inside it.
Yep. I think we should connect our balls.
Look, I found it. It's right here. It's hiding in it.
Look
at this. I think that this is red. That's not a rock.
Let them play. Just leave it on.
Now,
Try to have this one.
try to dig.
Can I have some?
Mine's falling apart. That means there's a rock inside because it's falling apart.
Big rock.
Michael, stop taking my spot.
Okay. Now I'm gonna make.
Let's make a ball, guys.
I'm gonna make a ball with a tiny one. Make a tiny one ball.
I'm making a bigger ball.
And
See,
after
Marshmallows.
you're done, Liam, making a big ball, can we connect ours?
the first thing I get. There you go.
This was in
This
there.
is Sam.
Can I connect it?
Yeah.
Ah!
There.
It's
So it can be even more big. I'm gonna make another ball.
Guys, look at this.
It's like marshmallow.
Ball!
Michael, look. See, I'm making a ball.
Now we can smush it.
No, Michael, I don't want you to smush it.
Okay, let me try and fix it.
My one's trying to fall apart, that is mine. Hey, Michael, look. Making the balloon.
Then you get to have these much because it's falling apart. Guys.
Man, guys. Oh, mine's getting bigger. It's getting
Mine
super.
is getting heavier.
Okay, let's make another one. Mine's getting super duper heavier. Heavy. It's heavy. Oh, it's heavy. Making it. I got something in my surprise.
But what if we make a small balls? Or it needed to be big.
Let's let it hatch.
Hatch. Yes.
Okay.
What? You say marble.
Cool.
It's cracking. Cracking into pieces.
Yeah.
See?
Look at the egg. It's starting to patch. Look, mine is patching. And mine's not. Mine patch. Look, mine patches by. Wow, it patched. Now let's play with it. See? Michael, mine patching. Mine's patching. Michael, mine patches for a long time. Now mine's patching somewhere. It's patching.
Let's try this one.
Michael, mine starts trying to put a box inside here.
No, I just need rocks.
Patching.
Mine's patching. It's patching. I'm making it. This one. Oh, there's a crack.
And this one has crack. And this one. This one has no cracks. This one is almost done. And this one has a little bit of crack. And mine's trying to crack.
Mine is patching.
So, guys, how many layers are there for the Earth?
7.
For the Earth, there's what, 4, right?
That's 7.
What, 4?
4.
And what are they?
4.
What are they?
Crust.
There's the
Crust.
crust,
Mantle.
the mantle,
Mantle.
there's the inner core,
Inner core.
and the outer core.
Outer core.
So the crust is where we live,
Yeah.
right? That's like outside, right?
Yeah.
What is the mantle made out of?
Iron.
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 Yeah, there's some. Mainly the core. I think the core is made out of a lot of iron too.
Eggs.
Um,
Coming right up. Here's your
is the
toy.
core is the mantle? Is
This dinosaur egg.
it solid or liquid?
It's liquid. Liquid.
It's a solid,
Solid.
but it's not entirely solid.
Hey, Liam, this one's the most patching.
Michael, look.
This one is cracking. Like this one's cracking. This one's patching. This one's patching. This is cracking. This is cracked. This is cracking. I mean, actually, this is cracking. This is cracking.
Oh,
It's cracking. It's cracking. Crackers.
And Daddy can be my elbow.
The mantle is considered solid rock, but it's not completely hard. It's
It's
moldable.
falling down. Hey, look, Mama.
What's this? I'm balancing one.
Wow, Mama. Mine is packing more.
Mine is gonna be a big one. This one's gonna.
Mine is packing more little pieces.
Let's sit it on my arm.
Look, mine is patching by.
Wiggle.
Look,
That's tickling.
look, mine is patching the mostest.
Yeah, mine. Yeah, lay it on your arm where you have to hold it. Hello. It's cracking.
It's cracking.
Did you guys like this experiment?
Yes.
You had fun?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh yeah, mine is cracking. Whoa. Looks like a rainy day.
Mine is patching. Mine is patching. Oh, this one is patching the mostest.
Yeah, mine is quaking. You know it's doing it fast.
And mine is patching by itself. Look,
Gotta stop getting my pile.
patching.
You can have these, and mine is cracking or patching. Mine is
patching.
Mine is the most quicker because mine is the dumper.
Mine is patching.
It takes a while to crack.
Yeah.
I shake it. Boom! It's dropping. Oh!
And one of mine digs in place. We got one egg. Look, mine was flying and then he got one egg. This one is egg. So let's see what we got.
Liam, mine is little. See this? Wow, this is super cool. Then look at that. And look at this. It's balancing.
It's cowling.
I'm losing it like this because it's balancing on my arm.
Whoa.
Yeah, mine patched the mostest.
Michael, look. This one is.
Let's make it.
Michael, this one's. Hey, Michael, look. My small one.
It's making.
Look at this one is on my side.
Right.
Like this one was hatching. Like this one was hatching the most on my side. It is. Hey, Daddy, mine is hatching. Where's the little? Oh, look, the chickens lay a lot of eggs in my side. And then they start and then
This one's
the chicken
fat.
eggs hatch. It's a flavor.
I'm gonna make a big chicken egg.
A big one, this one is big. Here we go, Liam. I'm gonna read you. Okay.
You guys are being good.
Yeah,
right now.
mine is patching almost.
I
Oh
see
yeah, my
mine is
egg is
patching.
patching.
Mine
Now
is
mine-
patching.
My the mommy chicken is gonna be thank you for letting me have it. So I'm gonna cut this egg.
They already hatched it. This one's starting to hatch. But
Now
these
it's
ones
hatched. This
are really
big one.
hatching a lot. So the big one. Big chicken. So that's why. This one hatching to the go. Michael, my Play-Doh's about to hatch. Quick! Quick! Michael, quick, my Play-Doh's about to hatch. Quick, it's hatching now.
No, big one is a ball and it's gonna mount into the water.
Michael, my one. This one's starting to hatch, especially.
Then put on the magnet because
Look, we just need to take all the eggs that are starting to hatch. This one is trying to hatch, but it's
Leah, mine is starting to patch.
Okay, here you go. Here you go. See?
This one is having a crack over here. And this little piece fell. And there's a crack right here. And
Michael, hurry up. You're going to hatch. Okay.
I need the knife to cut it quick as I can.
There's money to hatch.
I'm cutting it quick as I can.
It's about to.
Okay.
Hey.
Bye, Campbell.
Bye, Cat.